Chainsaw Man Tuesday, baby. But the new episode isn't out yet. It's coming in like 1 hour. But until then, I'm gonna be enjoying my pizza. Okay, I see it made it home pretty okay. Gonna be eating this while I watch this guy. But look at this fucking picture, man. Look at the edits on this picture, is just genius. So the pub I work at, the Flying Circus, they recently started putting a picture with every employee with a short presentation. And they just posted my picture, which is very fitting for the shit poster that I am.